Hello everyone, we are Port Group and we like to present our presentation that is about 10 cultural elements of African American people. And before we jump to the explanation, we'd like to introduce ourselves first. So our group members are Moral Diandi, Oyuningsi, Endra Supanlai, and Putri Adinda. So let's jump to the first explanation that is about acculturation. So for the first cultural element, acculturation, we can list 3 points. The first one is African American community is bicultural, said Valentine. Bicultural here means that African American community having the attitudes of ethnic groups. Then root estimated in terms of family history and genealogical lines, half or more of all African Americans are multiracial. And for the last one is Staples suggests that the bicultural nature of African Americans is something forced upon them and is often antithetical to their own values. Okay, next to the other cultural elements, which is poverty and economic concerns, Nixon reports that African American males earn only 50% income to their white counterparts and 35% of African American families report incomes below the poverty line. Sassen reports that as a function of combination of poverty, unemployment, discrimination, African Americans are overreported among residents in poor inner-city neighborhoods. Black and Darling concluded that joblessness and substandard employment of African American males contribute to family instability, mental illness, and somatic symptoms also increase rate of crime. So somatic symptoms itself is when a person having a significant focus on physical symptoms such as pain, weakness, short of breath that results major distress in their life. Okay, let's move to the third cultural element, which is history of oppression. So this formal slavery ended the following civil war and the social system developed which continued to relegate the former slaves and their descendants to a position of inferiority. This oppressed status has been recognized as a major social problem with current ramifications in all categories of the lives of African Americans. In a classic study, Mirta developed the following rank order of types of segregations and discriminations against African Americans. The first is the ban against intermarriage and sexual intercourse involving white women. The second is several etiquettes and discriminations which specifically concern behavior in personal relations. The third is segregation and discrimination in use of public facilities such as schools, church, and means of conveyance. The fourth is political disenfranchisement, and the fifth is discriminations in law by police and other public servants, and the last is discriminations in securing land, job, credits, or other means earning a living, and discriminations in public relief and the other social welfare activities.
Language and arts. There are two major positions concerning the spoken language of African American. First, the language deficit position posed by Dutch holds that the lack of appropriate early language stimulation in African American homes result in immature or deficient language development. Second, linguistics such as Baratz and Smitherman, on the other hand, take the position that all human beings develop some form of language and content, that African Americans employ a well-ordered, highly structured, highly developed language system that in many aspects is different from standard English. Hal Benson characterized the African American style as circular with a heavy emphasis on involvement through repetition of sound and movement, with an episodic arrangement calling for small, short units leading to a succession of mini climax. Rhythms of jazz and the blues, calypso and reggae, salsa and other Latin beats are arts that originate in Africa. Racism and prejudice. There are exists a persistent disparity and inequality in the economic condition of African Americans and members of the dominant culture, which is a result of the racism of the past. Numerous civil rights laws affirmative action regulation, and other public policies have not been able to remove these unequal conditions. Indeed, in some areas, they are becoming worse. Fourth, reports that three of every five African Americans live in neighborhoods with hazardous waste sites. Inequality in educational opportunity, performance, achievement, and outcomes in one major area where racial differences are apparent. School funding equality and completion rates at all levels are significant variables to note when studying racial differences. For example, of those African Americans 25 years old or older in 2010, 18.2% had graduated from high school, while 87.6% of whites in the same age group held high school diplomas. There are sociopolitical factors. First, African Americans have played a minor role in the formal political life of the United States. Second, the Voting Rights Act of 1965 and its subsequent amendments has helped to overcome the disenfranchisement of millions of potential African American votes. Third, the success of civil rights movement changed politics in the United States. In the first election of African American mayors in the 1968, the African American candidates ran against the established political machine. And the last, the highlight of African Americans' political participation came in 2008 with the election of Barack Hussein Obama as the 44th President of the United States.
Okay, I will explain about the child rearing practice in African American. Mountain reported the most important values in African American families are commitment to education, self-help, service to others, and a strong religious and spiritual orientation. Mountain identified three parenting styles: authoritarian, authoritative, and permissive. Religious practice in African American. According to the PAW Research Center Forum on Religion and Public Life, 87% of African American identify with the religious group, and 79 say that religion is very important in their life. Spirituality is the mean that enable individual to be in touch with their soul. It is based on the cultural belief that humans are comprised of their mind, physiological, the body, physical, and the soul, immaterial. Julius Result has identified 6 distinctive features of African spirituality that survive and become incorporated into the practice of African American. Number 1, the direct link between the natural and supernatural. Number 2, the importance of human intervention in the supernatural world through Persian and spiritual control. Number 3, the significance of music to invoke the supernatural. Number 4, the strong tie between the world of the living and the world of the dead in defining the scope of community. Number 5, the importance of participatory verbal performance, including the call response pattern. Number 6, the primacy of the both scared and scholar verbal performance. The next material will be delivered by Putri Adinda.
The next material is family structure and dynamic. In Boyd Franklin identified 5 major characteristics as common to African American family functioning. First, extending family kinship networks. Second, egalitarian and adaptable family roles. 3. Strong religious orientation. 4. Strong education and work ethics. 5. Flexible and strong coping skills. And the next, Asante has identified 4 aspects of Afrocentric male-female relationship, which are based on teachings that men and women are equally the source of strength and genius of African American. The 4 aspects are sacrifice, inspiration, vision, and victory. These elements provide the source and inspiration for all the men and women do together. And the next material is cultural values and attitudes. In Hilliard describes the core cultural characteristics of African Americans as follows. First, they tend to respond to things in terms of the whole picture instead of its parts. Therefore, our art is sometimes taught by numbers as are dancing and music. And second, they tend to prefer inferential reasoning to deductive or inductive reasoning. Third, they tend to approximate space, numbers, and time rather than stick to accuracy. And fourth, they tend to prefer to focus on people and their activities rather on things. This tendency is shown by the fact that so many African American students choose career in the helping professions such as teaching, psychology, and social work. And next, they tend to have a keen sense of justice and are quick to analyze and perceive injustice. And they tend to lean toward altruism, a concern for one's fellow man. And they tend to prefer novelty, freedom, and personal distinctiveness. And this is shown in the development of improvisations in music and styles of clothing. And they tend not to be word dependent. They tend to be very proficient in nonverbal communication. And that's all from me. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
And that's all from us. Thank you for your attention. See you in the next time.